Hello YouTube, my name is Froilan and welcome to another video of Lifestyle and Sneakers. Today I'm gonna do a long-term review of my Yeezy Boost 700 in the analog colorway, so stick around. Before we continue, let me just remind you that we have an ongoing giveaway. We're giving away a sneaker of your choice in your own size. Please check all the mechanics in the description box down below. The Yeezy Boost 700 V1 in the analog colorway released April 27 of this year, and I got mine from Adidas Singapore's website, and I've been using it ever since. And first impression, the upper is very comfortable, very soft because it's padded mesh. Now when I put your foot in, it's a little tight on the forefoot because of the elastic band on the tongue that's holding the tongue. So it's a little snug on that part. Toe area, just right. Heel area, just right. And then the midsole, not that flexible because there's a thick foam that's thick foam that's holding the boost in the foam midsole, and it doesn't offer that much flexibility. And then the outsole traction, it's okay, just your normal outsole. After wearing it for a long time already, I've been using it a lot, and if you're familiar with our Fitness Fridays video, I wear these most of the time. So here you go. So first, the opening here on the ankle area, it's quite narrow. It's a little small because it has a long tongue. And if you're wearing no-show socks, there might be some rubbing on this part, on the heel ankle area at the back, on the Achilles. I can feel it on the left side. So that's one thing to think about. On the right side, I don't feel it. I don't know why, but on the left shoe, I feel it here. So I don't wear no-show socks with this. I wear ankle socks that covers this part, or a high socks. So that's one thing to be noted about this shoe. Now, on this part, this area, you have a good lockdown because there's an elastic band inside, so it keeps the tongue in place, and it actually gives you a little lockdown in this area. Forefoot, there's enough room for your toes to breathe and move around, but not too much. You have padded mesh here, so it's comfortable. Sometimes it will run hot, but not too much. And now the only thing that bothers me with the upper is this particular paneling here. So if you can see, it's suede, leather, padded mesh, but this part is actually not suede. It's a thick felt material that looks like suede when it's new, but actually it's not. So it creases a lot, and it gives you that linear, sharp creasing. So suede don't give you that. Suede give you creasing, but it's soft creases. But on this one, you have sharp, defined creasing. So that one, for me, I'm not sure why they use that, but for me, aesthetically and quality-wise, or quality of material wise, I don't like that. But the shoe, the upper overall, I like. Now, the performance of the midsole. So boost is given, so it's gonna be comfortable. There's gonna be ample cushioning. Now, when I use it for workout or for running, for lifestyle, just walking around, it won't be a problem. But if you use it for running, you won't get enough flexibility on the forefoot area. It's flexible enough to get you through the workout, but for me, there's gonna be a lot better option in terms of flexibility and comfort on the midsole. Now, the outsole is just your normal outsole. it performs good, especially if you're moving forward and backwards. Lateral, not too much. If you're moving sideways, not too much. So that's it for the performance review on this one. So what do I wear with this? Almost everything. So it depends on the occasion, but I wear it with jeans, shorts, joggers, everything in my wardrobe. So I can also wear it with button-down shirts, collared shirts, t-shirt. I don't wear tank tops, but it will work with that one. The vibe will still be there, and I wear this in almost all occasions too. So this is actually a very versatile shoe. I think almost all the white sneakers will be very versatile, but this particular shoe I've been wearing a lot, and I got my money's worth on this one. So what's my take on these? After wearing them day in, day out for 6 months, I've worked out on them. I did sprints, jumping, lateral movements, almost anything. It's holding up pretty well. I think it's durable, and at the same time very comfortable. I can match it with almost anything. So I think I got my money's worth on this one. I only don't use them during rainy days because it's gonna get dirty really fast. The only one thing is the panel here, and it's gonna get dirty if you don't take care of them. So after I use them, I just wipe the midsole, wipe it down to get the dust off. The outsole, I just wipe it on the rug or on the carpet or on the doormat. And then once in a while, I use a brush to brush off the upper, just to remove the dust that's on there. But maybe clean this for like maybe 3 times. After 6 months of wear, I only cleaned it with a cleaner for like 3 times. So I think it's holding up pretty well. Anyway, I would like to know your opinion about them, so please use the comment section down below. Again, I hope you like this video. Please press the thumbs up button if you do. Please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, and like us on Facebook. Again, my name is Froilan. Until next time.